Hi, I'm Stephen Foskett from Tech Field Day, and we are here at Cisco Live 2014, walking around, talking to some interesting companies. These guys got my attention. Actually, Jonathan Davis called me over, and he said, "You've got to talk to these folks. They are doing something really, really cool." So, so who are you, and what are you doing? Why did Jonathan say that?
The reason why Jonathan said that is because he's a customer of ours and he really likes using our antennas. We are TerraWave Solutions and we are a developer of antenna enclosure solutions. What we do is we support the radio. So any Cisco radio that you have and you need antennas, enclosures, cables, or mounting solutions, we have it for you.
Okay, so you guys are not making the APs. You're focused solely on the RF side of things.
Correct. We're the ecosystem around the AP. So if you have the AP and you need something to surround that AP, like we say, to power, protect, or to provide better performance, we have it.
Yeah, and actually we're totally surrounded by it here. I see a Cisco AP right there.
Yes.
You know, you got a whole bunch of different options here. But these aren't necessarily only for outdoor use, right?
Correct. We also have indoor antennas as well as outdoor antennas, enclosures. So the enclosures are for outdoor solutions.
And you're just telling me about a use case where somebody was deploying these in a classroom?
Yes, exactly. Our major push right now is high density.
Okay.
So we're designing solutions for high density environments. And we just deployed a solution for Georgia Tech.
Okay, and you've got, there's a whole case study about that too.
Yes, they actually did a case study, so we have articles. Actually, we were in Campus Magazine with the article co-written with Georgia Tech.
Cool, okay. So you're here at Cisco Live. A lot of people walking by.
Yes.
What kind of, what's the most interesting technical question somebody has asked you? Or it doesn't have to be the most interesting. What's an interesting technical question?
So a lot of the questions that we get specifically is, I have a certain access point and I want to do, say, high density, or I want to do some type of outdoor, or what range can I transmit or receive with your antennas? Okay. So a lot of antenna gain questions, beamwidth questions.
So people have a lot of use case questions.
Correct.
And they'll come up and they'll say, you know, here's my situation, I've got this kind of distance or a room like this or this many users, what can you do for me?
Exactly.
And you guys can pretty much fill in those gaps.
Right, so we pretty much will talk with them and walk them through their scenario, what they're using, the access point, what are they trying to do? Is it point to point, point to multi-point? Is it a mesh system, or is it indoor, outdoor? And then we just tell them, based on what they're telling us as far as their specifications, what antennas we think will work for them.
Okay, cool. So, so if people want to learn more about TerraWave, where can they find your website?
www.terrawave.com.
TerraWave.com. Hey, that's pretty easy. Yep. And you can find us at techfieldday.com, or just Google us. We've got a lot of videos about wireless. We do a wireless field day twice a year, and there's a lot of deep discussion about wireless APs, antennas, Wi-Fi, that sort of thing at techfieldday.com.